Just chilling.
Hey, what's this called? Oh yeah,
It's the K&B Show. Caitlin and Becca Show, if you didn't know.
I hope we don't get hit by that pillow. Ah!
Rachel,
Sorry.
what do we do now?
Sing?
Let's pick up a song.
Okay. Roses, no. Noses are red, violins are blue. You don't know me, but I know you.
Yeah, carrots are orange, apples are green. You don't know me, so I'm gonna tell you I'm mean.
Are you a food freak?
Maybe.
What do we do now?
Do a dance.
Okay.
The carrot dance.
Okay.
Carrots, 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 carrots.
I'm tired.
Me too. Oh.
Okay, well, we gotta go, so bye. We love you, Brandon. Bye.
That was the K&B Show. Show your stuff, Caitlin.
Woo!
Show your stuff, Becca.
Woo!
Pose! Smack your butt.